In this guide, we're going over how to make highlights on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to make highlights on Instagram, open up the Instagram app, and then what you need to do is go ahead and make your way over to the story camera. So go ahead and just select the plus icon and then select story. It's going to pull up a page that looks like this. You can either take a picture, and in this case, that's what we're going to do, or you can go ahead and do a previous one as well. But essentially, choose the photo or video that you want to add from your camera roll, or take a picture just like so, and you're going to see a section that looks like this. You need to tap share to post it to your story. Once you post it to your story, it's going to go on there. Then you need to open it up just like so. Once it finishes uploading, it'll look like this. And then what you're going to want to do is select more, and then you're going to see a highlight option on here. Go ahead and add it to a highlight or hit new and create a brand new highlight for it. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.